Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. It's day 14. Whoa, Christmas seems so close yet still so far away. All right, here's door number 14. There's little hearts on it on the calendar, and Andrea's here to help us open it. Let's see. Let's crack this open. Come on, it's actually getting quite hard to open these. Oh, look. Oh, check it out. Oh, Andrea's super duper excited because it's a musical instrument. It's a keyboard. And I'm going to say that the music on it is a Christmas carol. Possibly O Come All Ye Faithful. That's what I'm going with. Which Christmas carol do you think is on it? Who knows? You can just tell me. Make one up. We'll decide and then that's what it will be. All right, so we are building the little keyboard. We have got the keys on and... where does that go? All right, so that's going to be in the middle to actually hold the music. And there's going to be a decoration on the side. And this is the bit we're going to hang it from. And then it's all smoothed over on the top. And ta-da! That's pretty much it. Now we just need our little decoration. And these are so cute. There we go. It's a keyboard. And Andrea can actually sit on the floor and pummel it with her fists. La 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 la. Oh, hold on. I said it was going to be a Come All Ye Faithful, didn't I? I can't remember. La 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 la. Let's go and hang this on the tree and hurry up. Here we go. Alright, yeah, okay, that's a good spot. Nice big empty spot waiting for a pretty, pretty ornament. That's perfect. It's lovely, Andrea. It's so nice. Unfortunately, I don't think you can actually sit there to play it, so you're going to have to scoot off. Oh, I stand corrected. You can sit there on a lean. Okay, all right. Oh, goodness me. Tomorrow is day 15, and it just gets more exciting each day. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.